Alright, so we are hiking. We are in Lake Tahoe and Northstar, and we are going on a hike. I underestimated the weather, and I thought it was going to be freezing cold, and it is not. It is burning hot. So all that I own is tank tops.
Yeah.
Basically. It is about 90 degrees in May. It's beautiful out here. So if you're ever in Tahoe, definitely do a hike out here. Is this the stop sign? Wait, but where's the sign?
Right there?
No, there.
Oh.
That's the trail.
That's the conversation. Tomorrow, meet.
So for this hike, we were actually supposed to be with the group, but unfortunately, we can't be on time for anything. So we completely missed the group, and we are doing it by ourselves. Oh, there's tons of trees and shade. Uh-oh. There's a fork in the road. Oh no. Where do we go? Wait, we just took a picture of the trail. The resort room. We have this area for the coats. Laundry. Kitchen. Got a refrigerator. Counter. Toaster. Stove. Sink. Coffee maker. So, this is the dining room and the living room. And we quickly figured out how to work the fireplace. Very nice. So, here is the master bedroom where Ariel has camped out. Ariel, say hi. Alright, so we have the bed, room, fireplace, TV, closet with robe. We have the master bathroom. I should probably turn some lights on. Alright, beautiful tub, beautiful shower. Beautiful artwork. Nice, nice, nice. So here you go, potty. Alright. Bathroom. Lovely shower. Okay. You guys know what bathroom looks like? And second bedroom with double beds. This room has a lovely TV, and there's also, looks like a heater down here. You'll know there's heat, and there's two more robe, and that's it. bug. Oh, it's a bug. Oh no. Oh no.